This AI tool edits my video for me. Look at him go. Look ma, no hands. What used to take me 30 minutes to do now takes me 1 minute. Just imagine doubling your productivity while keeping the same or even lower effort. Saving time is making money. So you want to watch this video because I've been editing videos for 7 years, and what I would do would be to drag my desktop and camera footage right into my video editor. I would drag the camera footage on top and the desktop footage underneath, match them up. Then I would cut and delete, cut and delete. Especially big chunks like this, you have to zoom all the way in to make sure you're cutting right. Even the tail end as well. I'm clicking too many buttons. So one day, 3 years ago, I went searching on Google. I searched auto editor into Google. I found a bunch of these ones that didn't really work out for me. And then I found this GitHub by Wyatt Blue auto editor. And what I found was essentially a code that could just cut out all the silences for me. Even though I had no experience installing anything like this, I tried to follow this how to install auto editor guide, and it actually worked. From then on, I started using it on a daily basis. And the best part was that it was exporting in EDL, which I could then take into Premiere Pro and edit it just like a normal video. But the main issue was that it was code, and I was hiring a video editor. He really couldn't get it to work. Therefore, I went searching again for a new tool. We then found Timebolt, and that started becoming our new default. Currently, every single video that me and my editor goes through Timebolt first before we edit. And there are many reasons for that. First, it removes all the silences, obviously. Second, it allows for multicam, so myself and my screen. Third, it has checks. I hate when I have those in there. And it has a plugin to Premiere and DaVinci Resolve that I'm currently editing in. So here's how I use Timebolt.
And now a word from our sponsors.
I uploaded 100 AI images to stock footage websites and made $17.87. Go to wirestock.io and sign up for free. Now that you're on the inside, just click on generate. Here you need to prompt something that you think will sell well as a stock photo. Let's test some of them out. Hey, that was exactly what I was thinking about. Now you just click on upscale and post. And this is the best part about Wirestock. Look, it uploads automatically to these AI stock marketplaces like Adobe Stock, 123RF, Deposit Photos, FreePic, Miri Canvas, and Imago. Instead of you having to manually go out to each one yourself and post. Click my link in the description down below to start selling your AI generated images. Use code ANDY20 at checkout to get a 20% discount. Thanks so much to Wirestock for sponsoring this section of the video. I'm gonna drag my video into Timebolt, and right away you can see all of the red is silence and all of the green is when I'm speaking. Now right here you can see that it actually didn't catch this because what it does specifically is measure volume. So once it hits over a certain threshold, as you can see, filter below sound level minus 35 dB, I could fix it by doing minus 40 dB, updating silence detection, and now you can see that it's in there, or keep it at minus 35. I can select on the timeline, hit S and click in the top. So I would just go through the entire script and figure out, did it work correctly? Now, my second pet peeve is when it actually has too long of a tail in the beginning before it actually cuts in. Well, that's what you actually have this setting here for, which is left padding. So if I increase this to left padding 1 second, you can see every single silence gets a longer basically silence in the beginning of each audio. I like to keep my left padding at 0.01 and my right padding at 0.15. And the reason for that is for when you say words that ends on an S that kind of fades out, or an F that fades out, and it kind of cuts that away. There's also ignore detections shorter than 0.5, so half a second. So that means, for example, a snap, that takes less than half a second wouldn't get detected. So coughing and stuff like that, you can actually ignore a bunch of those with this setting. And also remove silences longer than half a second. This could be, for example, if you have a silence in the middle of here, where you wanted to kind of get it away, you could filter below that. So now you know these core settings and you can copy mine to begin. Let me show you some advanced stuff. In the top left, you have the keyboard shortcuts. These can help you a lot. For example, split timeline is S, next cut is up arrow. And one of the ones I didn't talk about was punch in by 25%. So what a lot of people do when they want to hide a cut is actually punch in and punch out. For example, by right-clicking the top green part, you can punch in by 50%, punch in by 75%. You can even select where you want it to punch in. So just click P, this is punch out, this is punch in. But the main attraction here is really that you can export as XML if you're going to Premiere Pro. I like EDL as a DaVinci user. So if I just click on EDL, I need to make sure I have the video-C here. Right click timelines, create new timeline, click on create, right click timelines, import, and then select this one with EDL. I'm gonna select the EDL I just exported, open. I click on automatically set project settings, okay. And here you can see the entire edited video. Isn't that wild? From 32 minutes of raw footage down to 3 minutes. Now, this does not solve our multi-cam problem. We want desktop and camera footage. That's where Timebolt DaVinci Resolve plugin comes in. You just download this file, copy this folder, paste it in your folder, enter, then we just drag the integration we just downloaded right in there. Now in Timebolt, you're not gonna do the additional exports. You're gonna go up to your timeline and click on this Save Timeline Cuts. This will give you this JSON file. In DaVinci, click on Workspace, Scripts, Comp, and Timebolt. Then apply the JSON file we just made. I'm gonna right-click the two clips and click on the auto-align based on waveform. I'm gonna drag it to the beginning, then click on Workspace, Scripts, Comp, Timebolt, apply the JSON file of the main audio that we wanted, which was video C, open, and see the magic of editing just happening right in front of you on the screen. Look, it's just editing it all by itself. And then the second cam is coming on, doing our desktop as well. This is something my younger self would only dream about. Boom. Done. Both the video and the desktop audio is all matching up. No silences. Thank God for modern technology. So I have a link for Timebolt in the description down below. I didn't get sponsored by Timebolt to make this video. I just really love them. And it's an affiliate link, so I make a $2 or something if you sign up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our actual sponsor in the description down below. Also Patreon for exclusive content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.